Hey guys, Alex here from Woodworking Machinery down at Lopen Joinery today, installing a Martin T27, a T45 and a T54. We'll also have a little look around their workshop, but let's take a little bit of a deeper dive into what's installed on this T27. So as you can see, we've got the apron fences on here, we've got the pull-out support, plus the table extensions. It's fitted with a Goma power feed. It's also got the 10-inch touchscreen on here and the auto lock system. Now, when it comes to motorized fences, this machine pretty much has them all. So what I'll do is I'll load into a really quick program, an example program that we've set up. Now, it's got no tooling on it at the moment, but you'll be able to see all of the movement that happens. So you'll see that it corrects its tilt to begin with. Now, this can tilt both ways, and it corrects its height. And now it's going to move the fence, and then finally the bed rings are going to move in to where it needs to be. This machine is also fitted with a 7.5 kilowatt motor, 10 horsepower, fully invertible, which allows you to go anywhere from 1,000 RPM up to 12,000 RPM. Moving on to the T45 we've got over here. This has electronic rise and fall, which can be moved as simple as that. This is moving up and down. It's also got the fully invertible speed, which means you can go anywhere from 5 to 25 meters a minute. You got your on-off feed there. It's also fitted with a, just move these out of the way. A spiral cutter block. Now you've got two rubber outfeed rollers here as well, and a big spiral cutter block. It's got 99 individual cutters on it. Moving around to the T54. Now we've got the control desk on here. This essentially will move the fence out of the way, which is simply just moving that handle there, and absolutely glides back. We can move anywhere from 1 mil all the way up to 8 mil on this, as simple as just moving to where we need to go. And then you'll see, let's do that again so you can see. See that the actual in-feed table drops down out the way. It's also fitted with a Supermatic guard. And once again, with spiral cutter block. This fence can also be angled, as simple as just moving this. And then we'll just lock it off. And then it's at a 45-degree angle. Not only have we installed the T27, the T45 and the T54, we've also supplied a brand new Kundig Master, which you can see here. They also have a Homag CNC in place, a Viney cube over there, and an Altendorf F45 power saw. So this workshop is really coming along now, and we're happy to be a big part of it. So yeah, thank you very much guys, and we'll see you next time.